Hey, greetings and salutations, YouTube. How's everybody doing? I just wanted to take everybody through the newest edition. It is the Corsair triangles. Honestly, I think they're pretty awesome. Everything that you can do with them is pretty beast. They all are individual, which is kind of nice. You can flip them around and make them pretty much however you want. Make them into little three-dimensional shapes and whatever. Like I did with the pyramids here, just messing around. That's through tinted glass. They're even brighter in person, like not behind the glass. Like, yeah, let's see if I can get that. First, let's do this first. Alright, this is the box they come in. There's two different sets that you get. The first one is the starter kit, because it comes with the Corsair lighting node Pro or whatever, the little two plug 3-prong small box. And then the other one comes with, it's the tile expansion kit, and it just comes with just the 9 more tiles. So in all, there's 18 little tiles, and they go in pretty easy. Only one in each set has a wire, or has wires to it. And then there's one, it's a power wire, your standard little long bar power plug. Same as pretty much every other RGB stuff out there. And then the other is their standard that they have 3-prong. So it just plugs right into the lighting node that it comes with. And then you can only put, you can only have 9 of them together, and then you've got to add another power thing. So you could actually hook them all up as one, but you have to have both power things plugged into it. I'll show you what I mean. Let's pop this off. There we go. And as you can see, much brighter. And in Corsair icue, it's just the under the lighting node Pro. You can change it however you want it to look. And I have it set to go to rainbow when I turn off icue. So there we go. But when you have these, see, only this one has power. And as you can see, maybe you can see it or not, but there's wires coming out to it. The other 9, or other 8, can all be moved around independently, and then they pass the electricity through these magnetic nodes. So that, like, you could have them go down like this, do something like that, and then just clip it in, there you go. And now it's, you know, going down the battery, or going down my power supply shroud. You know, the options with this are honestly damn near endless. You can turn it into just a big ball. Like that. If you want. There really is no limit to how you can place them. I mean, really, like, they're just very little versatile little cool little... I don't remember how I had it now. Shit. I dropped them. Oh well. Ain't the first time. They're built pretty well. They're heavier than I thought they would be. Like the magnets and stuff are heavier than I thought. But as you can see they'll hold themselves up in different shapes and angles. I think I had it like this. And that one like that. And that plugs in like this. I think. Is that how I had it? Not seeing other pins. I don't know what I did. I screwed it all up. My wife's going to be like, you were messing with them again? I know. It's like a kid with a new toy, you know? But you can put them into pretty much any shape you want. You can have them wrap around your case however you want. And price-wise, for the two, comes to $85 on Amazon right now. So... you know, it is what it is on that end. I think if you want to add a lot of RGB real fast, this is definitely I think a pretty go-to option. Pretty good go-to option. Personally, I think they're pretty awesome for what they are. I think they're very unique. There's no other, that I've seen anyway. I haven't seen anything else quite like these, being able to do all the different angles and options. Usually, I find with RGB, you're kind of limited. Either you get fans or you get an RGB strip or something here and there. You don't really have anything that's got any real versatility to it, I think that's kind of the difference with these to me. And like just having like the regular RGB strips like I had before. Just trying to get these set so I can put them back in. Just trying to make us a couple pyramids here. So you could have them sloped like that. Oh, damn it. Why is that not locking quite right? Oh well. I don't know what I did. I messed it all up. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do it like this. That's what I'm doing. There we go. Good enough for now, I guess. I'll mess with it more later, but yeah, I just wanted everybody to get kind of an idea how bright they really are. The amount of color and light that they put out is just immense, as you can see. It's like my buddy said, he's like, it's like LED lava. But yeah, I totally dig them. I'd rather have these than the regular LED strips that I had before, if you have to choose one or the other. But thank you, Corsair, for making yet another pretty badass RGB product. And I'm not sponsored by Corsair in any way. Everything I have from them comes out of pocket. It's not... I don't have no sponsorship or none of that stuff. So, but on that note, thanks for checking in, everybody. And peace. Have a good one. Hopefully some more people get these, because I think they're pretty awesome. I